Hi guys, I'm Robin, and today we're going to do a science experiment with oranges and baking soda. So hopefully you will have these items in your house. If not, you have to do something different. But so I cut it up into thin slices. Honestly, I felt like 4s were too large, so I just doubled it before I started the video. Some safety concerns is maybe don't have the students cut up the orange on their own unless they're old enough to do so, and to not eat too much baking soda. You will see you don't want your tummy to hurt. So for starters, I'm going to ask you a few questions. We are going to use oranges and baking soda, and I'm just curious what you think we're going to do with it. Maybe pause it and think about it for a second. Okay, so now I'm going to put some baking soda on this little plate. It's white on white, so you can't. But baking soda only has sodium bicarbonate in it. It's the only ingredient. So I just want you to think about that. And think about an orange. So right now I'm going to dip the orange into the baking soda, and then I'm going to put it in my mouth, okay? So I want you to think about what the oranges could be simple or symbolize, and what the baking soda could symbolize. So don't put a lot. I'm just going to dip it, and then I'm going to take a bite of it and put it in my mouth. Okay, that was really bubbly. I was not expecting that. Woo! Well, I think I put a lot of baking soda. But, okay. So let me explain what kind of happened in my mouth. It was very bubbly, and it fizzed, and it almost tasted like something, if you can think about it. So if you don't want to try it that way, if you don't want to taste it, I have another idea for you, because maybe you don't like the taste of it. I don't know. So this is another way we could show the experiment. Take the orange and squeeze the juice. Sorry, that's my dog. Squeeze it into a cup or something. So I'm going to do 2 just so we have a decent amount of juice. Squeeze it. Okay, so I got a decent amount of juice in here. And then I'm going to put the baking soda in the juice. So you can't totally tell, but it's starting to fizz up. And why do you think this is happening? That the orange juice is mixing with the baking soda and starting to fizz up. So you can think about this kind of through chemistry. And orange juice is going to serve as a acid. Oranges actually have citric acid in it, and baking soda serves as a base. So when you mix it together, it's going to form a reaction, and they're the complete opposite, so they're going to mix, and it actually forms carbon dioxide bubbles, which is actually the same gas we breathe out. So thanks guys for watching. What it reminded me is kind of like orange juice, like soda. So whenever it bubbles, you're mixing the citric acid with the orange and baking soda, which is the base. So I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Bye.